What's up, everyone? Hey, I got some pork shoulder steaks going on here. These up top are sweet. These down here are non-sweet, no sugar. It's just garlic, salt, pepper, and a little bit of chipotle with roasted garlic. A little bit extra garlic, I like that. Got the Santa Maria. Got a little bit of wind today, so I'm going kind of low down inside here. Gonna do these low and slow. This is kind of a test because I've entered a competition for July and I'd like to do Santa Maria for the competition, and I want to check out the texture of pork for doing pork ribs on the Santa Maria. I know it's not low and slow. It's not low and slow, but that's alright. Anyway, more on this to come later. Looking real good. Oh, these look great. Man, too bad you guys can't smell this.